enough for me now. Stack to the ceiling, money taller than a tree now. Man, I've been winning, I'm winning, victory with a smile. I see the competition coming, it's gonna take a while. We set the table up, high stakes of cheddar cake. I only eat with people that grub up their own plate. Slow motion, for now we coasting, swimming in dividends. I make it look emotionless motion. Lights, camera out, now we both.
It's very popular.
Not very popular.
I'll wait and let Dad see. If he falls, then I won't know I can't go there. No?
I want to get down that way. No, I guess we're not going to be able to.
You don't think so?
No.
Or is it because the site's in use?
Not allowed to be that site for the use.
The trees are planted. I don't understand what I'm supposed to be doing. The trees were planted in order, the recreation of the forest, reforestation.
Are you carrying your poor doggy?
Yeah.
Is he tired?
You know, it said that there's poison ivy alert and I don't want him to.
Poison ivy, isn't that a bad character against Batman?
Yeah, and it's a plant.
Oh, we're going this way. Leaves of 3, let them be. Oh, leaves of 4, trip some more. Oh, I gotta get over this. Whoa, whoa. And there's Dad and Lily. And Israel. And Dad's a faster walker than I am. Always has been.
No, it's all filled in. I used to be able to come through here. In a fence. A little hole in the fence.
That's right. You took me down here once. Where's Opa? Oh, there he is.
Ride up the hill, and then in the arena. And when we left, we'd ride down the hill
Downhill, yeah.
to the other arena. And I had to sit like this because it was a pretty steep hill.
Do you remember walking through this path? The one right here at the stop sign.
Nope.
Yeah, we take you girls through there. In fact, we can do it today if you want.
Well, this is the Robinson Creek Trail. It comes out over there.
Yeah. I remember me doing it with Ivy, but I don't remember what I did with you.
Yeah, I went with you girls.
Or you
Oh,
want
yeah.
to start on the other side and come around.
Yeah.
Let's see what that.
Mossy Rock, says Lily. And the little guy beside it.
onto the rock and jump to the other side.
Yeah.
Then we go fit the wire.
I got a feeling things is turning up for me now. Stack to the ceiling, money taller than a tree now. Man, I've been winning on winning, victory with a smile.